Hi guys. Um, Today's temperature is minus 20, if not mistaken. Echo, what's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's minus 18 degrees Celsius. Tonight, expect a low of minus 25 degrees. Hope you had a nice Thursday.
Okay, so as what Alexa says, it's minus 18 today, and tonight gonna be minus 24. So yeah, and it's windy, so it's minus 18, but feels like minus 24. So if you can see, it's really windy outside. So that's snow. Look at the slippery snows on our balcony. So yeah, as I was saying, it's freaking cold. I've been in Canada for I think 13 or 14 years, but this is the first time I have like minus 18 or minus 24. So it's freaking cold outside. So